Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie back real quick. Another video, just a quick review. Before we get to the review, if you like the video, correct. If you dislike the video, correct. You can comment, share, you can subscribe if you like. All right, I appreciate everybody. We passed that 1,000 subscriber mark too. So subscribe if you like. Join this family we have building over here. All right, today we got a quick review of the BabylissPro FlashFXs. This is a little trimmer. I had never used it or really never seen it. I got caught on Babyliss once the Golden FXs started coming out and everybody was hyping those up. So then that's the first time I really found anything out about Babyliss. Somebody asked me to try these out or told me that I should try these out. So I did. So we're gonna do a quick review of these. I did the unboxing already. I got these from the BabylissPro website. They do have them on, I think, Atlanta Barber for cheaper. You get them from the Babyliss website, they're $98. I think if you get them from the Atlanta Barber, they might be $10 cheaper. I'm not for sure, but I'll leave the links down below. Hell, they might be the same right now. Don't quote me on anything. Just look at the links and that'll tell you what they really are. All right. So this is a small, very lightweight trimmer. All right. A lot of power. So it is okay. Bump all that. All right. You get it from Babyliss, $98, $98.99, something like that. All right. Not $98 or $99, $98.99. Y'all didn't care. So it's the lithium trimmer, blah, 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 blah. Got 75 minutes of runtime, easy to zero gap, 2-year warranty included. You have the T-blade, you have the small modern design. It has 2 speeds. So I do like that on this trimmer. It has 2 different speeds for your cutting. So yeah, that's all the good stuff off the box. That's all that stuff, all right? So you got 2 speeds on it. This is the nice little design of it, right? Nice, small, compact, very nice, durable machine, all right? On and off switch, as you can see, if you take it up to full speed, you got 6,000 RPMs. You take it down to the slow speed, you got, what's that, 5,500 RPMs. So, like I said on my JRL clippers, I never go to the 1 speed and then my brain, I'm just gonna be used to flipping it on. It's gonna almost automatically always go up to the fast speed, all right? So that's pretty much, I mean, it comes with your DC adapter for charging. It comes with 4 guards for this, and it also comes with a tool to zero gap. I don't have that tool with me right now, but I did leave a video. I did make a video of how to use the tool. I'll leave the link down below if you wanted to see how to zero gap. And side note, when I was doing the zero gapping, right, I was just going through the video and I'm just taking these screws off to pop it off, but you don't need to. I just wasn't thinking and I was just going through the video and I was just going. So don't judge me. Sometimes we just do things, but marking that out the video, you still get the gist on how to use the zero gapping tool and how to get your these blades set right. All right. So off rip, fresh out the box, they wasn't hitting perfectly, but they were pretty good trimmers fresh out the box. You know what I mean? I was not mad at them at all. I use the slow speed in a trimmer. I don't really want to use a slow speed because either I'm going to use them for balding or I'm going to use them for a line. When that fast speed, I'm already, go ahead and give me the 1 speed on a trimmer. That's just me. On the clipper, I can see the difference because the slow speed might help me cut down bulk and the fast speed might help me do this, da-da-da. On a trimmer, just give me 1 speed. All right, 1 speed. But using this trimmer, it was good and lining up. All right. I use it on kids mainly because of the compact size, and I did use it to clean out designs. All right. Very helpful in using the designs because it's a smaller machine. As of now, I use my Babyliss for doing, they both Babyliss, but I use my Golden FXs for balding and I use my GiveAWay for designing. So if you see that, it's just smaller, compact design. Even if you take the 245 extender off, I mean, you know, this is just longer. Not that it's bad, because I like the slim design in this, all right? But using this was real good for designs. It's fresh out the box. It was cool. Not perfect. I'll put some videos in here. Excuse me. I'll put some videos on here in here of me using it before I zero gapped it. But then after I zero gapped it, we was cooking then. We was cooking. Once I zero gapped it and I had that, I had the blade set the way I wanted it. Even after using the tool, I did push it up just a tad bit more. But once you got this blade on this machine set the way you want it, it's gonna be ready to go. I don't see this overtaking any of your other trimmers, but as a good backup for maybe kids, it's like I couldn't get these too sharp. And that's just me. Maybe I'm just ironing it right, or blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Maybe I got lucky with this one. Because a lot of the times when I'm trying to zero gap trimmers or anything, I'm going to always get them too sharp, and then I have to push the blade back down. With these, it's like I kept trying to push the blade up, and I just couldn't get them too sharp. So using these on kids was perfect for me. I tried using them as balders. They didn't quite work during that aspect of it, but I wasn't mad at them. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep it, because as I use this trimmer for maybe 2 weeks, as y'all know, I'm a T-outliner fan. So when I'm trying to get them lines crispy, I'm gonna always use T-outliners. I did try these on a few heads and kids and designs just to make sure that I got the feel of it before I come and tell y'all what I think of them. Overall, these are good trimmers. They're not great enough to take over any of my cordless trimmers, right? Right as of now, I'm using the Stingers, and I'm using the GiveAWay as cordless, right? And then I got my T-outliners. So these to me was good to try. You know what I'm saying? They was great to try. I could see people using these and taking advantage of this small, lightweight design. But for me, they will not be my everyday go-getters. You get what I'm saying? But if you're looking for a trimmer to try, if you want to see what's out there, if you got an extra $100 to spend, this would be a good trimmer to try out, because I can see some people using this as a backup. I can see people going ahead and setting these up as your kid design. I mean, your kid trimmers, all right? They last, let me see, how long do they say they last? So it lasts 75 minutes, and you get that time because you're not using them day in. I mean, it's, at least with me, if you're using these all day long, you get through half a day, maybe, in the sense of, because you're just using them to line up. And once you get to adding in burrs and balding out, they'll die faster. One thing I do like about this, because, so that's at the slow speed. Usually, well, when you got a little bit more power, I like the way it counts down, because it got this line. It's a nice big display. Like I always say, some of these clippers will give us a little indicator to show that it's done, but it'd be small. The gel reel does it good with the actual countdown. This does it with a full bar. You see it lit up. You can see it counting down, or not counting down, but you see the bars. You got this big bar here. Then as you go down, and then it'll show you different speeds. It usually, well, it did. Well, I'll put a video in here. Maybe I got it somewhere. But it'll show you different, because if you use a high speed, the battery gonna die a little bit faster. If you use a slower speed, you got a little bit more power. I mean, a little bit longer lasting battery. So I do like that. So I like the way this do show that your battery is dying. I like that T-blade on there. I like this T-blade for the simple fact that with this compact design, it's not too much wider than this one, but it is just by maybe a small smidget, right? Can y'all see that? A small smidget. It's just a little bit longer. But with this compact design, it makes it seem wider when you are doing designs and stuff. So I do like that aspect of this trimmer. So this is not a bad trimmer. So all in all, real quick, should you purchase this trimmer? Yes. Is it gonna overtake your other trimmers? Probably not. if you see another trimmer out there, like if you can find the Babyliss FXs for this price, go ahead and get those. But if you're looking for something real quick and you just got to grab something, I say these will be good to add. All right. So that's my little quick review. I know we probably had like 12 minutes of the video, 10 minutes of the video, but that's my little review of the Babyliss FlashFXs. Cheese. Hey, there we go. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, dislike the video, share the video, comment on the video. You know, cuz by Reggie, we got a few more videos coming. I appreciate everybody for getting me over that hump of that 1,000 subscribers. That giveaway will be coming up here real soon. I don't know what day this video will be coming out, but if it's out before the giveaway will be March 7th over on my IG channel at Cuts by Reggie. March 7th, 1 o'clock, live, IG, something real quick. All right, appreciate y'all for watching the video. Peace.